Our line of products expand across the entire spectrum of marine and RV care. It goes from waxes to polishes to cleaners to specific types of cleaners to antifreezes, oils, and we supply that to our own needs, which is Starbright brand, and to all of our co-packers and partners out there. Some of our core values: number one, customer service. Number two is quality. And number three is we want our products to work. We want people to be able to go out on their boat and spend minimal time working on it and enjoy their boat. The major challenge I had was that I had a piece of equipment that had been through a number of upgrades. It has served us well for a lot of years. We were running it 25% above its rated speed. We already had an increase in production coming of another 10% on top of that, and the older equipment just could not handle that amount of stress and load. It was a part of a growth process we have. We're working to run faster and be able to supply our customers more efficiently. Why did we choose Premier Tech? Primarily it was because of the history we had, and we knew what we were getting into because we've done business with them for so long. And then by the time we went through our due diligence and vetted out other suppliers, it just made sense to stay exactly where we were. We've always been a company that prided ourselves in our long-term relationships with our suppliers and our customers, and there was just absolutely no reason not to continue the relationship.
Kinpak and Premier Tech have a strong collaboration and relationship. They have had one of our case palletizers for many years, and through a long span of years, they were able to receive quality and prompt service from a lot of dedicated Premier Tech team members. As a result of that, there's a big trust that Premier Tech can be depended on to be there anytime needed.
The implementation process went really well. They've got a great design crew with AutoCAD there that allows us to lay it out and do things virtually and understand exactly what's happening in that step. Since we got that machine on board, we were able to go through it and see exactly what it means to have a machine that gives you information back. It's allowed our operators to be quickly trained to get up to the speeds where we want to be and also have the capacity to go even faster. We really like how robust the machine is. It looks like it's going to perform just as well as the one we had before it, which was also from Premier Tech. Increased efficiency has dropped our case prices down, our unit prices down, and it's bringing us back into basically a price drop where we drop back about a year. That efficiency has allowed us to pass those savings on to our customers and start pushing prices back down for everyone. The employees that run that equipment, they've been looking at this with a whole new perspective. They expected to have another machine where 4 or 5 times an hour they had to make adjustments. Now they're sitting back watching the machine run. They like it, we like it, everybody has an easier, safer job, and we run more efficiently. I can text today, I can have answers in 5 minutes from the guys that we deal with, and it's just a real fluid process for us to be able to get information back and forth, schedule somebody back and forth. It's been a really good relationship as far as parts and support go.
It's special working with Kinpak because we have a mutual respect and open communication between our teams. And for Premier Tech, it's been a pleasure of being part of all this with Kinpak and very appreciated.
The one piece of advice I would give anybody looking for solutions in automation and manufacturing is to make sure you talk to the guys at Premier Tech. They have some innovations online now that are already running that answer some problems we're going to have in the near future. So if you don't take advantage of that, you're making a mistake.